Good evening, everybody. How you doing? DJ AJ101 here. I'm here with an interesting little article for you right here on my screen from Electronista.com, and it says study shows that Android and BlackBerry users still prefer the iPad over other native brand tablets. The iPad is still #1 on their list, as well as Windows Phone customers. And then I was reading through this little article right here. It said they were polling 2,500 people, and out of 2,500, the BlackBerry owners, the people that own the Blackberries, 53% of BlackBerry owners would buy an iPad today if they had the choice of a tablet, while 41% of Android owners would buy an iPad today. That's pretty astounding, especially, you add all of those up, that's 94% between the BlackBerry and the Android owners. 94% would buy an iPad. Outstanding between the two. And it also said that Microsoft was actually showing a pretty good response to the iPad as well. That they were talking that Windows Phone 7 owners, 40% of Windows Phone 7 owners would buy an iPad, and 60% wanted a Kindle Fire, 12% wanted a Galaxy Tab. So Apple is obviously doing a great job marketing that they're even, still getting more people from the opposite side, from the dark side of the tracks, the Android, the BlackBerry, and the Windows Phone owners to actually jump over and want their branded tablet. Now, I wanted to ask you guys why you think that is. Why do you think that Apple has such a good brand in the tablet market right now, according to this article? Do you really think that it is because of brand hype, or do you think that the iPad definitely does offer the best feature for money set right now that you can, you find? I mean, the lowest end iPad is $500, dollars flat out. And you can get an iPad 2, which is extraordinarily thin, a great display, a camera system, and then a glomerate of apps. I mean, just a slew of applications that are all customized for this screen. When the Android marketplace is now first starting to actually churn out a decent number of apps for their tablets, and especially the Amazon Kindle, which just came out not too long ago, still has very few native apps to run on that Android marketplace and the version of Android that of course Kindle is running. But I just want to bring this attention to you guys. That's just just my little thing. I like to check out these articles, read them, and let you guys know. And of course, there are cheaper tablets out there that are trying to put more influence into the iPad and maybe catch some other people's eyes that would have maybe thought about buying an iPad before. And I think the Kindle Fire is probably one of the biggest ones. Especially that $200 price point. Ooh, it's hard to turn that down, especially when you're going to save $300 off that $500 starting point for an iPad. But anyways, guys, what do you think? I'll leave the little link in the article below, in the description below for this article, if you guys would like to check it out for yourself. But like I said, the main question is, what do you guys think? What do you think really draws people to the iPad? I think for me personally, it's the applications, and it's just great build quality along with the slew of apps that really are integrated for the iPad itself. A lot of these other apps, that you'd have to find on the Android marketplace, maybe from port over from phones, and it's just the applications that people want to use, but there's no native versions available for the Android market, for the tablet market just yet. So it's kind of hard really to tell, what they all could be. But those are my thoughts. I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. Feel free to leave a comment below. Also, feel free to rate and subscribe if you would like. I like that, thumbs up and all that good stuff. And subscribing also helps me out, helps me bring great content to you guys, hopefully on a regular basis, and I like to keep up this stuff. And if you guys have any suggestions for future videos that you might want me to do for you, leave them in the comments below. I love to read them, and I hope to respond to as many as possible. But anyways, guys, I'm talking like blah, 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 because it's getting late, and I know you guys don't like to hear me babble that much. So check out the article if you'd like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one, guys. Bye.